In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to apply full coverage foundation. I will be using a stick foundation, which is an oil-based product. This is the best way of getting a really nice full coverage foundation look for nighttime or, even during the day when you want that really flawless finish. To prepare your face before you apply foundation, you will always need to just put a nice coverage of moisturizer on your skin before you start. I'm using my moisturizer brush here. You're more than welcome to use your hands or your fingers. Just make sure you've washed them before you apply. So a nice generous amount all over your face. Don't put moisturizer on your eyelids. They already have enough natural oils. We don't want them coming through and moving the product. It is ideal to do this about 5 minutes before you apply your makeup, so your moisturizer moves right in to your skin. Now we're going to move on to your primer. So your primer is like an invisible veil that just sits on top of your skin. This product will actually help protect your skin from makeup and everyday things like air conditioning and pollution, and it just sits on top of your skin. So your moisturizer will go into your pores and actually moisturize, and your primer will sit on top of the skin and be an invisible veil for your makeup. Always remember, the better your skin, the better the foundation application. So please take the time just to put on your moisturizer and your primer. There we go. So I've applied that once again with my synthetic foundation brush that I use only for my creams. Now I'm going to change my brushes. And I'm going to take my foundation brush and I'm going to take my stick foundation. Now, stick foundation is an oil-based product, so it's just beautiful for high coverage. It sits really nicely and you have more time to play around with it. So just blending it in. As you can see, I'm using circular motions and I'm doing section by section. You can already see all of Kira's redness in her cheeks has disappeared. Then I'm going to move up to her forehead, just up the top, just in circular motions. And the sections where you do need more coverage, just remember, you can dab, just like this. So just moving on to the other side, once again, either circular motions or dabbing, depending what kind of coverage you want. And then just going back and making sure you've got all the areas. Now don't forget about your jawline. It's really important to get your jawline. Now the best way to also find the shade of foundation for your skin tone is to always apply it just in this area. So just pop a little bit with your fingers, blend it in. And if it goes in, then that is the right color. Because popping it just on the jawline sometimes could be the wrong thing, because our necks are always lighter than our face. So make sure that you are just popping it on your cheeks. There we go. And I'm just going to pop a little bit on Kira's eyelids just to finish off. This will just help make her eyes look a lot more awake once they're open. And the final touches on the good coverage. Here you have it, a beautiful coverage with a flawless finish.